Hey friends, this is Natif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I want to show you a very big potential reversal zone for Bitcoin. And after every major market crash, whenever Bitcoin enters that potential reversal zone, it always starts a massive long-term bull run from there. And I also want to show you this triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this small time frame triangle on the 4-hourly time frame. But right now, it is very important, and the significance of this triangle is very high, because if it breaks down this support, then we can expect that it can move down to test the 200 weekly simple moving average that we have here approximately at $22,000. And if it breaks out, then there is a very high probability that Bitcoin may break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern that is formed on the weekly time frame. And after breaking out this falling wedge, the target as per this falling wedge can be here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $68,000. And for example, if Bitcoin breaks down this triangle, then target to the downside as per this triangle, the upside, the target will be $33,000. And after breaking out, this was the target by the before the falling wedge pattern that I was telling you. And this is the target for the descending triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart. That is $33,000 to the upside, and in case of breaking down, $25,600 approximately. But I'm expecting that in that situation, we can also test this $22,000 level where we have this 200 weekly simple moving average. Now, let's take a look at the big potential reversal zone that I want to show you in today's video. And that is right now you can see that here I have placed this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame chart, and Bitcoin has already broken down. Whenever Bitcoin breaks down this Ichimoku cloud, it works as a resistance then for the price line. And whenever Bitcoin breaks it out, then this Ichimoku cloud turns into the support, like it was working as a strong support previously. And this is the weekly Ichimoku cloud that is a very strong resistance and support. But if we take a look at the previous history, then we can see whenever Bitcoin breaks it down, then it always starts a big bullish reversal from between this Ichimoku cloud support and this weekly 200 weekly simple moving average. And most of the times, even all of the times, it has also tested the 200 weekly simple moving average as well. Like previously, we have this example when we broke it down here, this Ichimoku cloud. First we broke it down here, it turned bullish, tried to break it out again, but rejected, and again moved down. This is the March 2020, and after testing 200 weekly simple moving average, we had a very big rally. So this is the most recent point or potential reversal zone that we had between this cloud and the 200 weekly simple moving average. And again, Bitcoin before that, back in 2018, May 2018, broke down this Ichimoku cloud, and this was our potential reversal zone between 200 weekly simple moving average and this Ichimoku cloud. And you can see when we tested the Ichimoku cloud here, this 200 weekly simple moving average, we started another rally. And before that, we broke down this Ichimoku cloud here. And here we had the 200 weekly simple moving average. And this was, by the way, August 2014. And this was our potential reversal zone. And you can see when we touched this 200 weekly simple moving average, we started a very massive rally. And this is the first example we have here back in 2014 to 2015. And this is the second example we have here. We broke it down in 2018 and broke and just touched this 200 simple moving average and started the next reversal in 2019. The third example we have here in March 2020, and this is right now again going to happen. And right now you can see we are again entered in a very big potential reversal zone that starts between, after breaking down this Ichimoku cloud on weekly time frame chart, between this support of the Ichimoku cloud and this 200 simple moving average. We are already very close to this support of 200 weekly simple moving average. Right now it is moving at $22,067, and we have already dropped up to here $25,400. And this time, it is not necessary that Bitcoin will touch this 200 simple moving average, because we are inside this very, very big falling wedge pattern. Let me to place all these trend lines here so it will be more easy for you to understand. You can see we have the support of this the support of the falling wedge pattern, and we also have a very, very strong support of $28,600. Now, for example, if we break down these two supports, then we can touch this 200 weekly simple moving in that situation. And it doesn't matter whether you're buying Bitcoin here or at the support of the 200 simple moving average. When it will turn back, when it will start the bullish reversal move from here and starts the long rally, long bull run from here, then once again it will produce thousands of %. Like, let me to show you the previous moves. From this low to this high, it was approximately 1700%. From March 2020 to here, November 2021. And before that, this was, by the way, the most shortest rally we have here. And that was from December 2018 to here, June 2019. This was more than 340%. And this was the first rally that we have. And from this low to this high, that was more than 19,500% move. So this time again, we are going to have such very, very big opportunity. It has entered again in a very, very massive, big potential reversal zone. And from here, Bitcoin can once again start a very, very massive move, a very long-term bull run. It is also possible that it may retest this 200 weekly simple moving average, or it is also possible that it will start this reversal move from this support of the falling wedge pattern and break it out and start the next move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.